Hello, dear friends. Happy holidays. This is Dr. Sarah, and today I want to help you get through the holiday season a little bit more serene. Now, if you're watching this in real time, we are in full swing of seasonal activities, and we're in the single digit countdown to Christmas, which, whether you celebrate it religiously or secularly, a majority of people around the world actually do gather for. So, although the holidays can be full of excitement and cheer and good tidings, we also know it can be overwhelming and stressful, and that rise in cortisol sometimes needs to be subdued. One of my favorite ways to help out my clients with keeping their stress levels at bay are the use of essential oils. Now, the reason I love essential oils are vast. They are really truly one of the most holistic mind body modalities I feel on the planet. They're also easily accessible. They integrate with other modalities seamlessly, so you don't have to choose one or the other. They act quickly because the sense of smell actually doesn't go through a relay station for interpretation by the brain. It acts instantly as a survival mechanism. So their aroma actually acts faster than we can when we're stressed. That's why sniffing an essential oil can actually help prevent the negative consequences of the stress biochemical cascade downstream. At the same time, they have biological properties beyond their aromatic properties and memory-based aroma associations to rebalance the nervous system, the hormonal milieu, and to actually calm our mind and body and our spirit and actually raise and uplift our mood. So that being said, what I did was actually compile a bunch of different resources from my top holiday blogs and actually added two additional bonus highlight articles. And I put it all in one place for you because, as I said, we are getting into crunch time and the last thing we need is more things to do on our to-do list. But it is a nice time to catch up and maybe go through and skim through to see if there's something that might be helpful for you during this time that your body needs. So some of the topics that I highlighted and the ones in the accompanying article to this video include just basics, essential oils and how they soothe holiday stress, essential oils for stressed out guts. So there's a gut stress brain link, and they talked about how essential oils can aid digestion and how that at the same time actually helps our mind perception of stress, which also helps our gut. And then when our gut's happy, our brain is actually happy because there's a bidirectional communication between the brain and the gut. I also have a post on the science of gratitude and how to ignite being thankful, include the use of essential oils. I have a post that talks about how essential oils impact the brain and how emotional oil blends really do change our perspective. How essential oils can shift our mindset and feel more abundant is another post. And then there's two bonus articles, one on the benefits of using essential oils to spur self-gratitude. And self-gratitude can build on the benefits of gratitude practices in general for external things or spiritual things and actually bring more appreciation to ourselves, which has its own benefits. And then there's also an article on DIY aromatic gifts, 8 homemade recipes for our heartfelt holiday. Now, you can even just go to some of these posts, and if you want the summaries, I have the facts of the important key concepts of the articles. So that can be a shorter aspect if you're running low on time. And as always, all of the accompanying articles, the links, and the resources will be available in this accompanying article to the video. So I hope that it's helpful for you. I hope that you use it as a resource to get through the holidays unscathed. And as a reminder, in the new year, I'm going to be offering some new things and some new programs. So if you're not on my email list, you'll probably want to jump on that so that you know about these and special promotions and other things that I don't necessarily share to my social media channels or to my YouTube channel. I want to say that I wish you a very happy, healthy, and nurturing and nourishing and serene holiday season. And I am so grateful to have the opportunity to be able to share with you all about my love for essential oils, naturopathic medicine, and functional medicine. And I look forward to doing more of that in the years to come with some additional offerings. Take gentle care till then.